Hey there! Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information you encounter daily? Well, you're not alone. Let me introduce you to the concept of a second brain. It's a digital system designed to enhance your cognitive abilities and manage information effectively. Think of it as an extension of your mind, helping you to improve memory, thinking, and creativity. The idea behind a second brain comes from productivity expert Tiago Forte. He created a framework to build a digital repository for collecting, organizing, and retrieving information. Imagine having all your knowledge easily accessible, turning it into a valuable resource for both work and personal growth. At the core of Tiago Forte's methodology is the PARA system. This stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives. Projects are your current tasks. Areas are broader responsibilities. Resources hold info related to interests. And archives store inactive items. This system ensures that your knowledge is always at your fingertips, preventing loss or forgetting. Now let's talk about the role of AI in enhancing your second brain. AI can automate tasks, improve organization, and provide insights. Imagine using natural language processing to understand and process text, machine learning for task automation, and deep learning for advanced pattern recognition. These technologies can make your second brain more dynamic and efficient. So how do you start building your own AI-enhanced second brain? First, capture information by gathering everything you find relevant. Next, organize it using the PARA system. Then, distill it by summarizing key points, and finally, express it creatively in your projects. This continuous loop allows your second brain to evolve with your knowledge and experiences. Case studies have shown that AI-enhanced second brains are used in various fields, from business to education, and even personal development. However, there are challenges and ethical considerations to keep in mind, like data privacy and the potential for over-reliance on technology. Looking to the future, AI will continue to evolve, making the second brain concept even more powerful. Imagine personalized learning and recommendations tailored just for you, increasing your efficiency and productivity. In conclusion, building a second brain with the help of AI can unlock your creative potential and help you manage your digital life more effectively. So why not give it a try and see how it can transform your productivity? If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, like the video and share it with your friends and colleagues. Our vision is to create a network of like-minded leaders and entrepreneurs that want to make an impact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow us by subscribing for more insights on the latest trends in business management. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep growing.